In slumber's realm, where dreams come to reside, a world of wonder where imagination soars. Within this realm, secrets are not denied, where hidden wonders unlock mystical doors. A moonlight sky, a canvas for the mind, painted with stars shimmering with delight, unleashing thoughts untamed and unconfined. In this realm of dreams there's no need for flight. Creatures of fantasy, they dance and play as whispers of magic fill the air. In this ethereal realm they find their way, a place where dreams and reality share. So close your eyes and let your spirit roam. In dreams, find a world uniquely your own.